So I think multi-core is probably also a topic that some of you have been grappling with in the last few years. We are excited to present our learnings and also certain insights.
About the white papers, pretty unique thing about this is that it is really about practical projects. So we are taking, for example, from different customers from different regions with different problems and show what can be done. The problems are in real life projects and how you can actually solve them. Basically, if you double the cores, you don't get double the performance. It also means that if you are smart, can limit this penalty. And that means it's important how you distribute your software. Your system can get slower.
Yeah, it's sort of like, buying an extra seat, either on an airplane or on a train, but you don't necessarily get 2 plates of food.
And we decided together with them to move the complete COM stack, which was 15% of the runtime. The runtime on Core 0 went down by 15%, but the runtime on Core 1 actually went down by a little bit more. The total runtime increased by 4%. The RAM layout wasn't optimized. And that's not a theoretical problem. This actually has happened in practice, that scenarios like this, where one part of the software saw an inconsistent state of data, because the idea is that these two values are always valid together, but now the software sees a mixed state. The part of the execution was done and the other part wasn't done.
You get into a crunch time in your projects quickly before SOP, you realize resources have been run out and you have to spend extra money. And there are certain interesting, late evenings, late nights to solve problems. So this is what there is. It's a good balance to design your system in advance, to sort of, spend that money in advance for these resources, because I think later on this is much more smoother as well.